Hello, this is Brent Reed with Kirschmeyer Industries, and I will be analyzing the UI announcement to change conferences with their football program. This report has been requested by the firm ABC Public Relations. The video we will be using for our evaluation is the April 28, 2016 press conference, featuring President Chuck Staben, head coach Paul Petrino, and athletic director Rob Spear. This was held at the UI in Moscow, Idaho. I will be focusing on their credibility based on their body language seen in the video footage. During the announcement, all three men sat very rigid with their hands folded on top of the table. This is a sign that all three men were extremely uncomfortable with the situation they were in and would rather be anywhere but here. This closed, folded hands indicates they were not comfortable with being transparent in regards to the information being made public. They also exhibited the same behavior during the question and answer segment later on. During Chuck Staben's speech, Paul Petrino was constantly puckering and unpuckering his lips. This is a sign of his distaste to what was being said.